What is Brazilian waxing? A hair removal method that removes all or most hair from the pubic region, leaving smooth, hair-free skin. Benefits of Brazilian waxing over shaving. Waxing removes hair from the root, resulting in smoother skin for 3–6 weeks. Unlike shaving, it reduces the risk of razor bumps and ingrown hairs, preparing your skin for waxing. Exfoliate 24–48 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells. This reduces the chance of ingrown hairs and ensures a clean wax. Choosing the right wax. Hard wax is recommended for Brazilian waxing because it adheres to hair, not skin, minimizing pain and irritation. Pain management tips. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing, and avoid waxing during your menstrual cycle, as skin sensitivity is higher. Essential tools for Brazilian waxing. Wax heater, hard wax beads, applicator sticks, pre-wax cleanser, and after-wax soothing gel. The importance of wax temperature. Always test the wax temperature on your wrist to avoid burns. It should feel warm, not hot. Stretching the skin. Stretching the skin taut during waxing helps reduce discomfort and ensures a cleaner hair removal. Hair length matters. Hair should be at least inch long for the wax to grip properly. If hair is too long, trim it to this length. Step-by-step wax application. Cleanse the area, apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth, and pull the strip against the growth for best results. How to minimize pain during waxing. Breathe deeply and exhale during the pull. Applying pressure immediately after pulling the strip can also reduce pain. Common mistakes to avoid. Re-waxing the same area multiple times. Applying wax too thickly or pulling wax upwards instead of parallel to the skin. Post-wax care essentials. Avoid tight clothing, hot showers, and workouts for 24 hours to prevent irritation and sweat-related infections. Dealing with ingrown hairs. Use a gentle exfoliant and hydrating serum 2 to 3 times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. When to avoid waxing. Skip waxing if you have sunburn, open wounds, or are using certain medications like retinoids, which can make skin sensitive. Waxing sensitive areas. Work in small sections and apply soothing gel immediately after waxing to reduce redness and sensitivity. DIY waxing safety tips. Work in a well-lit area, have a mirror handy, and keep baby oil nearby to remove excess wax safely. Benefits of regular waxing. Over time, hair grows back thinner and finer, making each waxing session easier and less painful. Alternatives to wax for sensitive skin. For those with extremely sensitive skin, consider sugaring as a natural alternative that's gentler on the skin, creating a spa-like experience at home. Light scented candles, play calming music, and take a warm shower before waxing to relax your muscles and reduce discomfort. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.